today we're going to change the charging port. The door got broken off, I'm not too sure how, but so this is the new BMW part here. If you look down, there is 4 clips going around the edge. There's one at the top, or 2 at the top, sorry, and 2 at the bottom. You probably get away with just the 2 at the top. So you need something sharp, like a little pokey like this, pick, and there's 4 holes, and you have to actually push through the holes. They're not pushed through all the way. So when you push through, you need a couple of, maybe a flathead, small flathead screwdriver. It goes down onto this little part here, and you can lever down on it then. So when you push through, you're going to pull down, or sorry, up on these ones, and it's going to push down the tab. So once you have I got away with just doing the 2 holes, and then you can kind of just wiggle this out. So once you wiggle it out, there's going to be a block connector here, just a little tab on the back. Just pull down. I'll show you what it looks like now in 2 seconds. So the tab is there. You can just get either a tool in behind it, or you can kind of grab your finger there. And then there is a charge indicator as well. It goes on here. There's a clip either side. I'll show you on the new part. It's easy. So the charge indicator goes in the bottom and then clips into these 2 clips here. You can kind of see them, that one there and that one there. So you kind of have to pry them apart and then lift it back out. In the wiring loom, just make sure you put the wiring loom back in here. We'll show you now in 2 seconds where the wiring loom is. You can kind of see the wiring loom tucked up there. So I have it already out, so you can kind of see it coming out there. And I'll take that off camera and pop it back in. So the charge door needs to be removed. So this tab here doesn't move, and you can kind of see the grippers there. So the door goes on like that, clips on. I'll show you on the door itself. So you have to get this flathead screwdriver in here and pry away from the door, and then slide the door off. It'll be a better. So we have the new charge door on, and we have the block connector plugged in there, and the little charge indicator pushed back in and clipped in. And it kind of has to go in this way and then push close. So just watch our little wires there. And once you have it in, you just give it a push. There you go. You can hear it clicked in. And you can see like the little oils there I was saying earlier. Sorry, it's a bit stormy here today. Are blocked in. So when you're removing it, you need to poke through them 2 or 4 even. So you'll be pushing up on the top ones and down on the bottom ones if you choose to do the 4. So we have our door now. Just had to pop the door on. If you look here, you can see the little tab that you have to bend off to get the door off. I'll show you how it fits back on now. So with the door, make sure all your tabs are in good condition, and this little runner is going to sit on this little part here right in the middle. Very hard to do with one hand. So once you have it on, you can kind of see it there, and then it has to push. There you go, it's clipped on now. It's a little bit difficult to see, but it's clipped on, and that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Audi as well have the very similar setup, so no damage to the paintwork. Don't pry in around here or anything like that.